Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, not a nice setup as what we had in the S&P 500, and I gave that to you in the Telegram channel yesterday. But there is something brewing here, and what I do want to do is just clean up the chart quickly. There's a lot of levels we've got which have been missed, and the first area of business is this area that we're in at the moment. So that is 34,540. The second area that we need to pay attention to is obviously the low of yesterday. So it does look like that's a pullback. And then lastly, similar situation to the S&P 500, the low of last week, this has come back to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. You can see there it is there, and the buyers stepped in there. Now, from a textbook perspective, 61.8 is your extension. So that is where you are looking for a move to the upside at the moment. So that is 35,360 area. And if you look at it this way, there's my move up. There is my first target, which is my measured move. So going to be there. And if you look to the left, that's the previous high. So 35,096. Probably 35,100 is probably going to be the area. Okay, so let's just delete. We need to keep that in. We need to keep that in. And let's keep that. And that's the rest we can delete. Okay, so that is pretty much the new levels that we've got. If we start moving through the time frames at the moment, you shouldn't see much changing. What's nice about the 3 hour at the moment, look at the diversions on the oscillators. So you've got a low, price is high, whereas oscillators is a lower low. That is indication of a retracement. We are still in a bull trend. If you look at the moving averages, we've come back to test the 155 again. We've tested it once before. This is the second test of that area. So it is brewing very nicely for a fairly decent trade to the upside. So if we look at the hour and just see if we've got some entries brewing at the moment, nothing really. We do have a death cross on the hour at the moment. Was a strong move yesterday as well. So yeah, you've got the crossover oscillator starting to just do nothing at the moment. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what transpires here. I think this level here is the one to pay attention to. That's 35,540. So if we can get above this area, stay above it, come back, test it, hold it, and good opportunity to move back the upside. Otherwise, we're going to be getting a second move to the downside. So that is also possible. What I would be doing here is just watching on a lower time frame just to see what's transpiring at the moment. Potential double bottom on the 15. So that is the area, that's your stop area at the moment. There's a swing low of yesterday. And then to see what we're going to do here. Okay, so yeah, Dow's not as clear cut as the S&P 500. So the Dow's really just a wait and see, while S&P 500 is still bullish. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Just going to wait for this one to see what transpires. If I do see something, I will tell you in the Telegram channel. But at the moment, nothing really on offer. Okay, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.